Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. The love, the support, the growth has been massive. Currently, we have 5,960 subscribers. I can remember starting this channel, like officially talking about cryptocurrencies. It's not up to when I decided to make a YouTube channel, because before then I've been putting videos of my trades and stuff like that. But when I decided to start making videos on cryptocurrencies, particularly reviewing tokens and all, I started, it's less than 3 months, I think 2 months plus. But it is crazy how you guys have supported me. The love is too much. Over 5,960 subscribers. Imagine ending the year with over 6,000 subscribers for a new channel. That is so much. That is so massive. Thank you all. In as much as, yes, I'm not perfect, I have my mistakes, I have some flaws and everything, you guys have literally support me and watch me grow. Thank you for all the support. I really love you guys. I hope we get to a point where on this channel we begin to show more love, like do some giveaways, connect more, hang out and stuff like that. But that being said, like I do every day, I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Right? I talk about Wakanda Inu. Now, the interesting part of Wakanda Inu is the first African meme token, and this is one of the reasons a lot of people, a lot of Africans jumped into buying Wakanda Inu. The way the Wakanda Inu story came up is something that I can say from the beginning to the end, because I literally followed this project and I've been following the project. Personally, I have interest in this project, and a lot of people also stumbled on my videos about Wakanda Inu and they decided to subscribe to my channel. There is no time I don't make videos on Wakanda Inu. I made a video, this is like 2 days ago, 2 days back. I made another video 4 days back. There was the time I used to make Wakanda Inu videos every day. 5 days back, I made a video on Wakanda Inu. I think I made this video 8 days back. Like, I make videos on Wakanda Inu, so I've followed the project to the point that there's nothing to talk about Wakanda Inu that I've not talked about. But today I'll be talking about Wakanda Inu from another angle, another perspective. While a lot of people have bought Wakanda Inu and they don't know what is going to happen, they don't know if that there's going to be an opportunity for them to actually make money, and the price is going to go up because they bought when it was high. They bought in the green candles. I want to now say something that people will not be expecting me to say. With what I'm saying so far, I think if you are yet to buy Wakanda Inu, or you still have some spare money, this could be the best time to buy more Wakanda Inu. Yes, I just said it, and I'm going to give you my reasons why I said you should buy more Wakanda Inu. Right? A lot of people will not be expecting me to make a video like this, but it's just about looking at the project, looking at doing some technical analysis, and just putting so many factors into consideration. Right now, if you look at Wakanda Inu, let's first go to CoinMarketCap before I do some technical analysis. Now, Wakanda Inu is up 7% at the time of recording this video. Wakanda Inu is up 7%, and generally in the crypto market, most cryptocurrencies are, since yesterday, they've been doing numbers, right? So I'm not surprised that Wakanda Inu is up 77%, but the 7% of the Wakanda Inu is high. It might not really reflect for people that bought this token when it was very high, which is quite understandable, right? But if we flip from that side, let's look at it from the angle of you want to buy Wakanda Inu, or you are somebody that wants to make money in the market. Now look at this Wakanda Inu chart. This is the daily candlestick. When Wakanda Inu launched, it launched at this particular position. This should be 0.00. Guys, let me show you. 0.00154, right? And the next day in 1 2 3 4 5, the fifth day, it hit all-time high. The all-time high was as high as 0.005226, right? This is the all-time high on the fifth day, and because of the all-time high, it was trending. A lot of people were, the hype was there and everything. A lot of people jumped into Wakanda Inu, and the coin started reversing on them, right? So people bought Wakanda Inu probably when it was after that day, when it was somewhere around there, thinking the coin was going to go back, do a retest and break and move upward. But that was not what happened, because a lot of initially whales had put money in the token, and you know, the hype was there, new project, new meme token and all, so the price skyrocketed and so many people jumped in to the project, like people always do in the crypto space, because when the token starts trending on Twitter, on social media platforms, people always want to, it's more like a FOMO feeling, a fear of missing out thing. Everybody are talking about this project, they are making money, I don't want to miss out, I want to make money. They quickly invest money, right? And unfortunately, you know, in some other cases the token might have come down a little, then go back and do some retest and all, but that was not the case of Wakanda Inu. The hype came, a lot of people started buying. As they were buying, the token was dipping. Some people were removing profit. People that bought early had started removing profit. The token fell and everything. Then at a point, the total market supply of Wakanda Inu then was like 970 something. Is it trillion token? I guess. Yeah, I think it's trillion, million, billion, trillion, something trillion token. And they said they were going to burn from the total supply, they were going to burn 76% of the total supply. So they burned 76% of the total supply, which was over 70 something trillion tokens. I mean 700 and something trillion tokens. Then we add 235 trillion token left. People were thinking probably the burning of the total supply was going to have a positive impact on the price and they'll make money. I also felt that way initially, because I made a video back to back every day telling people why if they burn the total supply, they have to take profit and stuff like that. But that was not happening, because the total supply that they burnt was initially in a wallet, so it was not even a circulating supply, it was in a wallet and it got burnt. And after it got burnt, it did not have any positive impact immediately on the price. However, this is the idea: after burning that total supply, subsequently Wakanda Inu is still going to be burning token from time to time. Now the total supply has reduced, and in simple economics, when there is limited supply and there's an increase in demand, the price will go up. So the thing is, right now in the Wakanda Inu space, if you follow their Twitter and everything, they've not really been doing much. They've almost exhausted the first roadmap, and I'm sure they are working on the new, because I did a video where they made some announcement and they addressed a lot of stuff. Their marketplace, they're going to release a new roadmap. They have plans to, you know, create some projects that would give the token utility, right? And currently the token as a new token is one of the most successful token, because it has over 100,000 plus holders, 107,000 plus holders, which is crazy. A token that is less than 3 months having 107,000 holders, which means over 107,000 people believe in this project. Like, they literally invested money in this project, right? Although the market cap has reduced slightly, but then notwithstanding, the fact that people are holding this token still shows that they believe in the project. The team behind the token have been assuring people that they are working behind the scene to make things work, right? In as much as they've exhausted their roadmap, which is one of the reasons probably the hype must have dropped a little. They have a very strong community. What the community members are waiting for the team to just give them some updates, or just tell them the new stuff that will be happening, and they'll begin to push. I can bet you that if Wakanda Inu releases new roadmap by probably January, I can tell you with confidence that this token is going to go back up. It's going to skyrocket. Like, you understand? So what will happen is that probably somebody that bought this token around this position or this position, somewhere around there, might have to wait for the token to come back to their position of entry for them to break even before they even think of taking profit. However, look at this. Now, this is a support zone for Wakanda Inu. This is a support zone, and that is why if you notice something, when this token was coming down, when it hits this support zone, it went back up, it bounced up, then it came down again. It has retested this support zone. This is where the support zone is, and as it retested the support zone, it broke it, formed a wick down, but then it still moved up. You understand? Anything can happen here. This token could come down to come to this support zone. You understand? However, my point is, this is a very good buying position for Wakanda Inu. You can buy here, and if you are very patient, you can actually hold on to buy somewhere around there, because if you don't buy here, you're most likely going to buy here. If you don't buy here, the next place this token will be coming to is the initial position where it all started from. I'm not sure Wakanda Inu is going to ever come to this point. So if you have money and you have not bought Wakanda Inu, buying in this place is very smart, because you'll be buying very, very cheap. And if you are buying in this position too, you'll be buying very, very cheap, right? So that when probably January comes, they begin to, you know, do some what do you call it, some, if giving some listing, giving you guys new projects, begin to do some launches and stuff like that, some hype, some advertisements, some promotions and all, and the token begins to skyrocket up, you would make way more money than every other person that bought very early, right? That is my own thinking, because this is just basic technical analysis, support and resistance kind of analysis. So imagine you buy Wakanda Inu now when it is around there, or you buy Wakanda Inu in this position and the thing now goes back up, you're going to make way more money. And even if as you buy Wakanda Inu in this position, it doesn't go up, it comes down, you're not going to really lose much, because from this place to this position, which I'm sure it will not get to as low as this point, it's not really very huge loss, unlike the person that bought very high and the token has fallen on the person to this particular point, right? That is what I'm trying to show you guys, because if the idea is about Wakanda Inu going to succeed or not, I think there will be time where Wakanda Inu is definitely going to pump. I'm very sure. I don't know how soon, I don't know how fast. There's so many factors that are involved. The marketing has a role, the launching of projects has a role, the community has a role, so many factors are involved. Notwithstanding, if they get listed on big exchange platform like Binance and all, also plays a role. But notwithstanding, there will definitely be a time Wakanda Inu is going to go up, and the best time to buy Wakanda Inu, if you're a very smart investor, is around this place. And even if you have bought in the past and you still have some money and you believe in the project, because I did a video where I was asking people, why did you buy Wakanda Inu? I just wanted to know why people bought. A lot of people said they bought it because they believe in the project. Some said they bought to make money. This is very good position to buy, because this is a buying area. This is a support zone, right? So if you buy here, boom, and it goes up, good for you. Even if it comes down, when it's going back up, you are still going to take profit because you bought at a very cheap price. A lot of people rush to buy, and that is one thing about cryptocurrencies. No matter how high the market goes, it's just patience. There will always be a particular time that will be the right time for you to enter and make more profit. And yes, Wakanda Inu has been audited by CETIC. It's CETIC audited. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see it here. CETIC audited is a cross-chain or multi-chain platform. You can buy on Ethereum, you can buy on the Binance Smart Chain. The white paper is there, the official website is there. The team behind Wakanda Inu for now is not doxed, but notwithstanding, they say the token is more like a community-driven project. It has been listed on over 14 exchange platforms, and if this token is not a token that you should invest in, I've never been paid. I don't even have any connection with anybody in the Wakanda Inu team, but I'm just talking from the angle of technical analysis. Everything I say here is not a financial advice. It's just how to put it, it's not a financial advice, it's just for educational purpose. Just make sure you do your own research so that you can go on to make right decisions as regards how you are spending your money. This is my update on Wakanda Inu on today, the 24th of December 2021, a day to Christmas. And I want to say a very big shout out to the Wakanda Inu family. You guys have really supported my channel. I've seen you guys support, I've seen the massive love, I've seen the growth from the place when I did my first review, where I was skeptical about Wakanda Inu and I gave a lot of warnings and everything. You guys were there to this point where I now understand the way the project is moving, and I'm beginning to become optimistic. You guys are still there. Even at the point where I was telling the people to ask some questions, you guys were there and those questions were addressed. And even to the point where I'm not encouraging you guys to be hopeful, to be strong, because definitely in the crypto space, everything is about time and season. If you are at the right place at the right time, you're going to make good money. You guys are still there. I love you all. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you premium content. And trust me, 2022 I've been lately, if you notice, the rate at which I draw videos has dropped. I've been working very hard, doing a lot of research, doing more technical analysis, picking up some trading strategies, working with some of my guys, so that we can come up with a lot of stuff. Like next year I'll be doing a lot of crypto trading, more of technical analysis. We'll still review tokens, we'll still talk about new projects and all. And I'm also focusing so much on the metaverse ecosystem, the metaverse space, so that I can give you guys premium informations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content you will not miss out. Bye for now, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas in advance, and a wonderful and happy peace new year to you guys.